In Bhutan's capital, Thimphu, a moment of mourning and unity marked the 70th birthday celebration of King Jigme Singye Wangchuck. As thousands gathered to honor the former monarch with traditional music and cultural performances, the crowd paused to offer prayers for the victims of the deadly explosion that struck New Delhi earlier this week. The solemn ceremony was attended by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who joined Bhutanese officials and citizens in paying tribute to the victims. Organizers said the gesture reflected Bhutan's deep friendship and solidarity with India during a time of tragedy. The New Delhi blast, which killed at least 12 people and injured 27, occurred outside a court complex. Pakistani authorities have described the incident as a suicide attack, and investigations are ongoing to determine those responsible. The explosion has drawn regional attention, with condemnation from across South Asia. Pakistan's Interior Minister Mohsin Naqvi confirmed that most of the victims were civilians. Meanwhile, Indian and Pakistani officials have exchanged sharp statements, underscoring renewed regional tensions. During the Bhutan ceremony, the focus shifted back to remembrance and compassion. Local leaders emphasized that King Jigme Singye Wangchuck's legacy of peace, stability, and harmony continues to inspire unity both within Bhutan and across borders. The crowd observed a moment of silence, and Buddhist monks offered prayers for the souls of the victims. Witnesses described the atmosphere as deeply emotional, a mix of royal celebration and human compassion. As Prime Minister Modi later noted, the prayer symbolized a shared bond of empathy between the people of India and Bhutan. This gesture from one of India's closest allies serves as a reminder of how deeply intertwined the region's histories and humanitarian values remain. As investigations continue into the New Delhi blast, attention is now focused on how South Asian nations can cooperate to prevent further violence and promote peace across borders.